Yep, sanibonani guys. Situation yakaSaleng angeke ngize ngiphume kuyo. Angeke ngize ngiphume kuyo. For example, uHugo Bruce uyakhetha uselective and uHugo Bruce uyenzisa wabantu. Seningamane nithi hawu uMadala u-right, Hugo Bruce akana-backbone. I-backbone into efile kuye. You can't ukuthi ungalandi uSaleng. Asinayo i-left footer national team. Ngikhombe i-left footer mina. Ungitshela ngoNkotha. uNkotha i-left footer mara usaseku-amateur. Angeke ngibhentshi uSaleng ngifake uNkotha mina. There's no way. Awukwazi. Unless bakubhadala ukuthi ungambizi noSaleng. Yes. Every player esukayo ku-Pirates ayidlali ku-national team. Awusadlali ku-national team. Once ungasuka ku-Pirates awusadlali ku-national team. Thi ngikukhombe i-example. uBathusi Obasi, uNico Mobi abadlali regular emathimini wabo. Mara ubabizile uHugo Bruce. Ubabizile. Enye example, uKeletso Magalo una-10 years aku-P_S_L lezo. Last season bekayi-best performer, na-this season usaperform. Mara babiza aboSibelebele. Umuntu ona-3 games, aboMbokazi, abantu abana-3 games ku-P_S_L. Hayi guys. Pirates must stop paying ama-coach waku-P_S_L, ama-coach we-national team. Stop this thing nje. Angeke phela.